Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel Fashionizimus. If I can begin by please asking you to give me a like and to subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate your support. Today I've got the Lookfantastic February beauty box to show you that looks rather different this month. Let's see what we've got inside. So first of all, we've got Nude Sticks Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour. This is in Dewap. It's a mini. Next, we've got a product by Skin. This is a beauty balm and we have 50 mils. Then we've got Grown Alchemist Age Repair Intensive Moisturiser, 12 mils. Then we've got the Balm Staniac Cheek and Lip Tint. This is full size. Then we've got something for the hair. This is by Umberto Giannini, a banana butter leave-in conditioner, and there's 100 mils there. And finally, we have got a blending drop sponge by So Eco. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please take care.